it is our position not to have fishing activities inside the triangle. Parang triangle kasi yung Scarborough. At the bottom, dito sa kanan na leg, dito sa corner, right corner, is the opening. Correct. There are 2 Coast Guard ships there of the Navy, of the Chinese Coast Guard. But that is also our position to make that as a sanctuary. And in fact, if I may tell you now, we are coming out. The President has decided to declare that as a sanctuary. That is a unilateral action from government. That means, so what is happening now?
Ito yung verbatim na sinagot ni President Xi Jinping. Sabi niya, we will mobilize government forces to promote our agreements, step up guidance to create favorable environment. Yun ang sinabi niya. Pagkatapos mabanggit ni Presidente Duterte yung kanyang unilateral declaration na gawing marine sanctuary.
Sinabi ni President, issue executive order.
Executive order.